Welcome to Arena Multimedia. I am your academic head, and today is our orientation class of ADMS Prime Digital Filmmaking. Please take out your notepad and pencil. If you have any confusion, please note down. We will discuss at the end of the presentation. Today we will discuss everything about our second semester, that is digital filmmaking. In our second semester we have 4 softwares of video editing: Adobe Audition, Adobe Premiere, Adobe After Effects and Cinema 4D. In video editing we have 4 modules, and I will describe you all 4 step by step. Module 1, Digital Soundtrack and Adobe Audition. इसमें टोटल 8 सेशंस आपको पढ़ाए जाएंगे. Module 2, Editing Digital Video and Adobe Premiere Pro. इसमें टोटल 18 सेशंस आपको पढ़ाए जाएंगे. Module 3, Creating Motion Graphics and After Effects. इसमें टोटल 24 सेशंस आपको पढ़ाए जाएंगे. Module 4, Broadcast Design with Cinema 4D. इसमें टोटल 6 सेशंस आपको पढ़ाए जाएंगे.
After complete first and second module, Digital Soundtrack and Adobe Audition, Editing Digital Video in Adobe Premiere Pro, we will assign your first project. Session 10 of Premiere Pro will be the last date of selecting the topic. This is called Internal Practical 1, जिसमें आपके टीचर आपको असिस्ट भी करेंगे. For project choosing and submission. Submissions last day of Module 2 completion day. After complete third module, Adobe After Effects, we will assign you second project. Session 10 of Adobe After Effects will be the last date of selecting the topic. This is called Internal Practical 2, जिसमें आपके टीचर आपको असिस्ट भी करेंगे. For project choosing and submission. Submissions last day of Module 4 completion day.
आपका प्रोजेक्ट बनाना और टाइम पर सबमिट करना जरूरी है कि उनके मार्क्स आपके फाइनल मार्कशीट में काउंट होंगे. I hope everyone understand about the 4 modules. Please ask if any query. Now I am sharing the list of modules to be covered in the examination along with their weightages. Modular Examination 1, Digital Soundtrack. Marks, 10. Duration, 20 minutes. Type, Objective. Modular Examination 2, Creating Motion Graphics. Marks, 10. Duration, 20 minutes. Type, Objective. Modular Examination 3, Editing Digital Video. Marks, 10. Duration, 20 minutes. Type, Objective. Modular Examination 4, Broadcast Design with Cinema 4D. Marks, 10. Duration, 20 minutes. Type, Objective. I hope everyone understand about the 4 modules. Please ask if any query. Now I am sharing details about the mark sheet. This mark sheet is divided in 4 parts. Modular exams, 25% weightage. Final exam, 25% weightage. Practical, 25% weightage. A project, 25% weightage. The student will be awarded grade on the overall weightage final marks. Grades, greater than 40% but less than 60% pass, greater than 60% but less than 75% credit, greater than 75% distinction. Note, students को ये grades achieve करने के लिए at least 40% हर division में हासिल करना लाजमी है.
Thank you for joining Arena Multimedia.